Now, you might have heard stories of people becoming billionaires seemingly overnight. And most importantly, how you can invest your very first $1,000 the smart way. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's start unpacking the real rules of money. Let's begin with a surprising fact. One of the fastest self-made billionaires in history wasn't a tech genius like Elon Musk or Mark Zuckerberg. During the explosion of the dot-com bubble, Priceline skyrocketed in value almost instantly. His billionaire status evaporated almost as fast as it appeared. And that's what we're going to talk about today. And it's not because they aren't working hard. Many of them work harder than anyone. They receive their paycheck, they pay bills, maybe they save a little, and whatever is left gets spent on things they don't need. Not because they don't want to, but because no one ever showed them how. Today, let's fix that. Yes, really, nearly 70% don't even have a $1,000 emergency fund. And if one day you decide to sell it, there's a good chance the property has increased in value, meaning you profit again. That is, investing, trading short-term pleasure for long-term freedom. But for now, you don't have $300,000. You have $1,000. It doesn't matter. You can still start your investing journey. So your first idea might be, let me just put it in a savings account. Most banks pay around 0.5 to 0.8% per year. And inflation, the rising cost of everything, usually sits around 2 to 3% per year. Bond interest rates follow the Federal Reserve. When interest rates are low, bond returns drop below 1%. When interest rates rise, returns can climb to 2 to 3%. Not terrible, not great. Very stable. If you're ultra-conservative, bonds are fine, but they won't make you rich. Which leads us to the stock market. This is where ordinary people can grow their money the same way wealthy people do, by owning pieces of great companies. Sounds amazing, but these gains come with volatility. Stocks can rise fast and fall fast. If you put your entire $1,000 into one company, you're gambling. Even great companies make mistakes. Tesla is riskier than Apple, but has more room to grow. These funds let you invest like Warren Buffett with only $1,000. In the past, you needed a broker on the phone. With any of these, you can buy index funds, ETFs, individual stocks, and more, often with no commissions. Open an account, deposit your $1,000, choose an index fund, and you're officially an investor. Your first $1,000 will not make you rich, but it will do something far more important. It will plant the seed of wealth. Because once you learn how to invest $1,000, you'll know how to invest $10,000, then $50,000, then $100,000.